gorgeous, guys. Might be raining a little bit, but it's still a gorgeous view. Well, the rain's coming down, so we're probably gonna get the fire going bigger, hang up all the food stuff, and then after enjoying the fire for a little while, turn it in for the night. There's the fire going. And the girls. And Dave in the background. Hello. Fire always helps you stay a little bit more cozier in the body, even if it's raining and it's cold. I just hate packing up wet gear. Here's my bivy sack. It's gonna be all wet. That's fine. Raincoat's hung up, and I'm about to climb into my bivy sack and get some more rain tonight, I guess. But at least stay dry. Good night, everyone.